the largest collection of Hanok buildings in Korea. Welcome to our channel, Namsangol and Jeonju Hanok Village. Let's go to Korea with us. Here is Namsangol Hanok Village. Located in the bosom of Namsan Mountain, Namsangol Hanok Village comprises 5 Hanok buildings, traditional theatre, traditional garden, and Seoul Millennium Time Capsule Square. Namsangol Hanok Village restored the damaged topography by growing native trees of Namsan and created a valley. The pond and pavilions were restored so that we too can appreciate what our ancestors used to relish during their leisure time. The interiors of each of these 5 houses reflect owners from different walks of life, from the middle class to high government officials, noblemen and aristocrats. A square-shaped pavilion with a straw roof and a pond with a view of fish swimming. You take a look. They are enjoying by now. This tradition garden has beautiful pond and pavilions everywhere. At Namsangol Hanok Village, visitors can see the Hanok of important figures, such as the house of Queen Yun's parents, who was the queen consort to King Sunjong, the 27th king of the Joseon dynasty, the study of Yun Tiki Eong, King Sunjong's father-in-law. The house of Park Yeon-gyo, the son-in-law of King Cheojong, the 25th king, the house of Lee Soon-jeop, who was in charge of constructing Gyeongbokgung Palace, and the house of Kim Chun-yeong, a military official of the Joseon dynasty. Hanok means traditional Korean houses. This Hanok village was a famous vacation spot during Joseon dynasty. It was called the place where the gods lived because of its beautiful scenery. Walking through the garden, we definitely found a sense of deep calm and peaceful moment here. At the Hanok Village, international visitors can participate in traditional Korean activities, such as archery, and enjoy traditional Korean performances as well. Anyone who is curious about Korean wedding culture should visit the village on the weekend when traditional wedding ceremonies take place. Right now, let's walk around the Namsangol Hanok Village with us. Here is Jeonju Hanok Village. Jeonju Hanok Village is located in the city of Jeonju and overlaps Pungnam-dong and Gyo-dong. There are 735 traditional Korean Hanok houses. This is the largest collection of Hanok buildings in Korea. It is an important space in the development process of Korea's modern housing culture, which started in 1910, and is the home of about 20 cultural facilities including Jeonju Hanok Village, and Hyagyo. It is a representative travel destination of Korea and is integrated with the style of Korea. The charm of Jeonju Hanok Village lies in the Hanok building's unique roof edges, which are slightly raised to the sky. Hanok houses are generally divided into two sections, Anki and Sarangki. In there, you are able to find many artworks. Let's take a look with us. After a long day of visiting, it is time for relaxing. Let's enjoy Korean cuisine with us. Hanok villages are not only great to learn about the Korean traditional architecture, culture, and history, but also absolutely beautiful that make it a perfect Instagrammable spot. We hope you will enjoy our journey. Before we go, let's walk around Jeonju Hanok Village with us.